hiring a car accident lawyer to protect your rights and maximize your compensation. Life can change in an instant. One moment, you're driving down the road, and the next, you find yourself in a car wreck. It's a nightmare we hope to never experience, but unfortunately, accidents happen. When you're seriously injured, the aftermath can be overwhelming. Medical bills start piling up, and you might face weeks or even months of physical pain and emotional distress. By hiring a car accident lawyer, you're taking a significant step towards seeking justice and obtaining the compensation you deserve. Here's why it's so important. Firstly, navigating the legal system can be complex, especially if you're not familiar with it. Laws, regulations, and insurance policies can be overwhelming, and without proper knowledge, you may find yourself at a disadvantage. An experienced car accident lawyer understands personal injury laws and can guide you through the process, ensuring your rights are protected. Secondly, an experienced lawyer will act as your advocate, working tirelessly to build a strong case on your behalf. They will investigate the accident, gather evidence, and consult with experts if necessary. This comprehensive approach strengthens your chances of receiving fair compensation for your injuries, medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages. Additionally, dealing with insurance companies can be incredibly challenging. They may try to minimize your claim or offer a settlement that falls far short of what you truly deserve. With a car accident lawyer by your side, you have someone who knows the tactics used by insurance companies and can negotiate on your behalf. They will strive for a fair settlement, or if needed, take your case to court to ensure justice is served. Remember, you're not alone in this fight. Hiring a car accident lawyer empowers you with the expertise and support necessary to navigate the legal complexities, protect your rights, and seek fair compensation for your injuries. They are there to shoulder the burden, allowing you to focus on your recovery and rebuilding your life.